Good afternoon. This is David Fernandez for Anatomy and Physiology. This is experiment number 4, the blood typing experiment. And as you can see, we have everything good to go. I've labeled everything as A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the A. A couple drops in each one, I believe. 1, 2, 3 for good measure. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sure. So that is A. Here's part B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. And sample C. I don't know why I call it parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so that is that. Now I'm going to be using the anti-A serum, and we will. Well, let's get to it. So let's do 2 drops in each one. Okay. Now we're going to try the anti-B serum. That'll be slot number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. There you go. And finally, we'll be using the anti-RH serum on slot number 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Alright, so without further ado, let's start mixing. And I'm supposed to be looking for coagulation. So, alright. Not quite seeing too much yet. Let's see. There we go, a little bit more light. Be kind of good. Okay. As I'm doing this, I'm supposed to be looking for any kind of coagulation or agglutination, and so far I'm not seeing very much of anything. So let's just finish this process at least once, and then we will possibly just take it for a second go. Okay. Not entirely sure how long it's supposed to take, but I don't know if you could see it quite well. Let's see. Maybe if I went into a brighter light, let's see. And I have a lot of ideas all at once. There we go. So, let's take a look at it. Okay. I could see some agglutination in number in 3A or A3. So that would indicate that this person is positive. And I don't really see very much agglutination in A2 or A3. I see some ever so slight discoloration with A2. So that would mean that he would be B positive for A. For part B, I would say that there's some agglutination in B2. So that would mean that he would be B negative because there's no agglutination with the anti-A or the anti-RH. So I'd say he would be B negative. And then for C, I see agglutination slightly for C1. I don't really see any agglutination for the other two, so I'm going to have to say that for C, he is going to be A negative. A negative. So that basically concludes it. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.